tanungin kita, sinong kandidato nagsauli?
Sir President, you cannot ask question. We will be the one asking question.
That's why I said,
Kasi po kami po, pag nakakatanggap
because
po,
it
Mr. President, I still have the floor.
incongruous.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, will you confirm that the Office of the President tumingi po ng mataas na budget para po sa reward system? Sir, can you kindly use the mic, please? Will you kindly use the mic, please?
That's correct.
So,
You have to spend money for operations, for intelligence. Alam mo, sir, if I may be allowed to explain, ang isang pulis, at magtanong ka dito after this proceeding, magpunta ka ng anong istasyon, ang pulis, hanggang sweldo lang yan, pati equipments, office materials. Pero sabihin mo yung pulis na may sariling fund for an operation day-to-day to follow up cases sa mga criminals, wala, sir. Magtawag ka ng isang pulis dito ngayon. Magtanong ka, pagkatapos dito.
yun po ba, Mr. President?
Kailangan,
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah,
Go ahead,
yeah.
sir. No, go ahead, sir.
kailangan punduhan mo talaga ang pulis. Lalo na if there is a serious crime, kidnapping, ikaw talaga ang pipinance niyan. Walang pera ang pulis na mag-follow up kung saan dinala yung victim, kung they have to spend money or else you end up with nothing. And sometimes pag yung time limit na binibigay ng kidnapper hindi na masunod, pinapatay nila. That's why it's a race against time. Kaya ako, pagka ganito, bas kung na presidente ako, pag yung mga may kidnapping, ako talaga ang nagbibigay ng pera. At ang order ko sa kanila, sir, nandito na lang rin tayo. Pag nahuli ninyo, patayin ninyo lahat. Huwag ninyong dalhin sa
Sir,
pupunta ng presuhan niya, papakainin ko pa yung mga...
Mr. President, thank you so much for refraining yourself from speaking bad words.
Sir,
we appreciate that. No? Nakikita po namin na talagang pinipigilan niyo ang sarili niyo.
Takot ako sa inyo, sir.
Hindi po, sir. Natutuwa po kami dahil nga nagiging maayos po yung ating usapan po, sir. Sir, kasi po may...
Sweating hands, oh. Takot talaga ako sa inyo.
Kami rin po, malabig din po kamay namin dahil... Mr. President, medyo... nabanggit din po dito ni General Bato during that time that siya po ay tinatanong ni Senator Grace po na sinasabi na sino magdi-disperse dun sa Office of the President. At may sinasabi po si General Bato, sino po ba yung sinasabi na assistant na magdi-disperse po nung pera para sa reward system?
Yes.
Sino po, Mr. President?
Hindi ko na sinong kahiro doon.
Kasi may sinasabi po si General Bato na tao na magdi-disperse ng pera from the Office of the President. Sino po yan, Mr. President?
Hindi ko na alam talaga. Pagka ganyung police operations, actually, it's an official, it's not a hidden item there. Kunin mo doon sa kahira sa baba na kay police operation
Mr. President,
lahat naman yan police operation. It cannot be funded by it cannot be a police operation cannot be funded by private money. That is not allowed by law.
pero during the time that you were during one of your interview, Mr. President, I still remember that you have mentioned that yung pong pera na galing po sa donation ng inyong pong campaign funds will be utilized for the reward system. You mentioned that and I saw the video. And that's a private money, Mr. President.
Yes, pero galing sa akin. Hindi na private money kasi natanggap ko yan. Ano na ako nakahawak ko na the money I was holding was already when I was in the official na ako.
But in accordance with the rule of COMELEC, yung excess money po na ginagamit po natin sa kampanya must be returned back to the COMELEC, Mr. Chair, to the donors, Mr. President.
Maniwala ka yung...
Hindi, yun po sinasabi ng COMELEC, Mr. President. And yun po yung
ka sa
batas
COMELEC.
na atin po dapat sundin.
Tanungin kita, sinong kandidato nagsauli?
Mr. President, you cannot ask question. We will be the one asking question.
That's why I said,
Kasi po kami po, pag nakakatanggap
because
po,
it
Mr. President, I still have the floor.
Congruous.
Mr. President, kasi po ako pag nakakatanggap, kakaunti lang po yung nabibigay sa ating donation. So kulang na kulang pa po. And we believe that you have mentioned that excess money was utilized for the reward system. Is this true, Mr.
Public
President?
interest, to protect public interest.
Kaya nga po, Mr. President,
Yes.
na-utilize po yun. Yung sa,
Yes, correct.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, binanggit po natin, isa sa mga pronouncement din po ninyo that in no matter, sabi niyo po, that you won't apologize to the thousands of people who died and families who suffered because it is your belief that it's worth killing drug addicts and pushers. Dahil nga sa sinabi niyo rin yung don't destroy my country because I will kill you. Nabanggit niyo po ito, Mr.
Yes.
President. And
Correct.
would you also agree with me, Mr. President, that there are so many forms and ways how to destroy a country?
Again, sir?
There's a lot of ways to destroy our country. Is it correct? There's a lot of ways, Mr. President. Maraming paraan para wasakin po ang ating bansa.
Of course.
Di ba? Hindi lamang po ang pagsugpo sa illegal drugs. As a
Yes.
matter of fact, Mr. President,
Rebellion.
yes, correct. Yung pong tinatawag po nating economic saboteurs, yung pong mga sumisira ng ating kalikasan, yung mga nagpapasok ng mga illegal, yung mga smuggling sa ating pong mga costume, yung pong mga droga na pinapasok, yung mga illegal na bigas, yung pong mga asukal at iba pa. And at the same time, Mr. Chairman, yung corruption also. And at the same time, Mr. Chairman, ito po tinatawag nating conniving with the different enemies. These are forms and elements in destroying our country. Mr. President, your pronouncement that don't destroy my country cause I will kill you. Does this pertains to all of these elements, Mr.
Hindi naman. Sir, I was really particularly worried because yung droga kasi ang target yung mga bata. Hindi tayo. Ang droga na distribute dyan sa mga high school, dyan sa mga ano, kung ang next generation ng Pilipino puro bangag, at marami nakikita mo dito, mga opisyal natin sa gobyerno, nakikita mo mga bangag alam mo na kung sino ang bangag, tinatawag nila. Kaya ako, sir, I'm just being, I was being a father of the city, but talagang galit ako sa kriminal.
Yes. And would you
Naggalit ako sa kriminal.
And would you agree with me, Mr. President, that doon po sa inyong war on drugs, yung mga reported, majority of those that were reported killed on war on drugs were not really all drug addicts and pushers? Would you agree with me?
Well, because some of those who are really
Collateral.
in trafficking are not marunong eh. Those in trafficking sa drugs, may utak yun. Yun sila ang nag-traffic ng drugs. And they avoid taking drugs because alam nila na kung malulong sila sa droga, hindi na nila magamit yung utak nila.
Mr.
Kaya,
President,
yung
yes.
sinabi nila na hindi lahat drogista, tama yun.
Pero ito po ay mga collateral damage. Sabi nga po, shit happens eh. Diba? Sabi ni Gerald Bato. So, if ever that meron pong collateral damage, meron pong mga shit happens, will you consider this as a failure of the war on drugs?
Hindi, sir. I would say that it was a maybe unnecessary death, but a collateral damage is recognized, if not, hindi naman sinasadya eh. Kaya yung in one drug den doon sa Davao City, 4 na Chinese, pinatay ko talaga. Ang problema, may tinamaan na 2 yung nagluluto. Pero yung 4 na insect na
Mr. Chair-
talagang pinatay ko. Sinadya ko talagang patmatayin.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, is that a
Admission, yes.
admission that you
Oo.
killed them? Lumaban po sila? Or pinatay nyo silang walang laban?
Sinabi ko sa kanila,
Hindi,
sir,
Mr. President, pinatay nyo po ba siya ng walang laban or lumalaban po sila?
hindi, lumalaban.
So-
Kasi pag raid, siyempre, agawan ng kung anong mapupulot nila, lumalaban. Pero I would say that hindi naman lahat malaban na mayroong tit for tat. Meaning to say, kung may M16 yung police, may M16 sila. That would be an impossible scenario. Pero kung lumaban, pasensya tayo. Ako sinabi ko, no mayor ako, do not do it. Do not do it because I will kill you. O yung naabutan ko doon, kagaya ng 4 na inchik, talagang pinatay ko.
4 po ba yun or 6, Mr. President? 4 po ba yun or 6? Kasi a while ago you were saying 6 po.
4 lang.
4 lang po. So, pwede po naman malaman kung sino po yung mga 4 na po yun? Ano pong pangalan po nila?
Alam mo, sir, ang lolo ko Chinese. Baka nga yung isa siguro pinsan ko pa yung hindi ko alam, sir. Hindi ko alam tinanong.
Natawa naman ako doon, Mr. President.
Kaya dito, ang lolo ko Chinese, eh. Lam ang lolo ko.